Hi guys, what it do? It's your boy Exit coming at you guys with another video. And in today's video, we are going to talk about an investment that I have been working on for the past month. Took me a good decent amount of time to get this investment up and running, but it should now generate me some passive income, something that I am very interested in. I want to gain as many passive source of income as possible. So I'm going to tell you about this one, how I came about it, why I chose to do it, why I'm so bullish on it. I got you. So let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so before I hop into the investment that it's just I became so bullish on, would you consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and liking this video? By you liking the video, I can't stress so much how important it is and how much it helps my channel. It really helps my video reach more people, and in return maybe those people can also subscribe to my YouTube channel like you just did. Appreciate it. You rock. So just turn the button blue, make the thumb do this. Thank you. Alright guys, so let's just hop right into the investment that I'm so bullish on. I'm trying to make sure I invest as much money as possible into this asset, and that asset is Ethereum. Yes, I have officially full-on started investing into cryptocurrency, and me personally, I chose Ethereum. I know what you're thinking, why Ethereum? What? And why it take you a month to get it up off the ground? And how are you making passive income with Ethereum? Glad you asked. But pretty much the reason I chose Ethereum because it is the more logical asset versus Bitcoin. Now I'm not saying Bitcoin is bad by any means. I'm pretty sure Bitcoin will continue to reach heights unheard of. I'm pretty positive of that. But the thing about Bitcoin, there's a limited number of Bitcoin. And Bitcoin transaction wait times are horrendous. Not a fan of that. I personally tested those transaction times just to see how long it was. At one point, I was moving I lost some money doing it, but I had to test it. I was on Coinbase and I moved some money from Coinbase into my MetaMask, and it literally took an hour because right when I did mine, somebody was moving 17 Bitcoin because he was balling. I ain't got it. But it took an extremely long time, and it really, made me turn the eye to it. It's I can see why Bitcoin can't be that future currency that we really start to use. Would it be a good collective token currency? I truly believe so, because it's only a set number amount. So that there really turned me off of Bitcoin. Not saying it's a bad thing. I may choose to dabble into it in the future, but as of right now, I want to get a huge supply of Ethereum. I am a big advocate of Ethereum. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, you bullish on Ethereum. All right, that's cool, but how are you making passive income from it? I'm pretty much making passive income from it by actually mining Ethereum and through a application. First, we're gonna hop into the mining. I invested in Dogecoin. I'm pretty sure a lot of people have. Pretty sure you've seen my videos on it. I invested a decent amount into Dogecoin and I came out profitable.
What's up, bro? How you been, bro? You know how it is, securing the bag.
Good profitable. I sold right around the time of the SNL skit, right before it happened, or the actual show, whatever, not a skit. It's crazy. But I sold fairly high when I was able to walk away with about 5K. Pretty good. With that 5K, instead of me, pocketing it, saying, hey, I won, doing my Drake dance, I took that money and put it into my next investment, which was mining Ethereum. Mining Ethereum can be very lucrative, but it's very expensive. It is. And for those of you who don't know what mining is, that is pretty much how you come up with these currencies: Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum. Pretty much you use the computer to solve complex algorithms, and by solving those complex algorithms, it rewards you with a currency, digital currency, cryptocurrency, however you want to call it, depending on whichever one you're mining. And that's pretty much how these are made. Of course, Bitcoin requires a lot of power. Ethereum, you can actually do it with none other than actual computer graphic card. Yes, bet you didn't know that, huh? Crazy. But yes, you can mine from Ethereum with an actual graphics card. So after some extensive research, a lot of YouTube videos, fall down a rabbit hole, which is mining, I say, you know what? We're gonna go for it. And I went for it. So, like I said, I went for it. And in which me going for it, I already had a 3070 graphics card because I am a computer person. I actually play games on my computer, and I built my computer. So I already had a 3070, but one graphic card, it's pretty good, but it's not gonna get you like the results you're really looking for, especially when you're investing money. You want to make sure you make that ROI back pretty quick. So I had one graphics card. I took my earnings from Dogecoin and went out and bought 4 more graphics cards. Yes, 4 more graphics cards. They ran me about $1,500 a piece, so that's about $6,000. But with those 4 plus the one I had, that put me at five graphics cards. And with those 5 graphics cards, I was able to start mining Ethereum, and it's oddly pretty profitable to me due to the fact I didn't actually use any of my startup money. I used already invested money. So how you add that up is slightly different from how a lot of people are doing on YouTube, where they put how much their complete rig is, and then how much they're making a month, and how many days it's going to take you to actually pay that off. I feel it's kind of awkward for me to do that due to the fact that I literally just went from Dogecoin, sold it, transferred it, and literally went right back in and bought the graphics cards. So I don't know if you could look at it like that, but as of right now, I would say I'm only 2K in the hole due to me buying just the rig, the motherboard, and stuff like that, everything but the graphics cards. So everything outside the graphics card cost me about an extra $1,000. So I'm about $2,000 in, but so far I've already made about $300 to $400, and it hasn't even been a full month yet. So very profitable about that. And I know what you're thinking, you're like, wow, okay, that's pretty cool. It actually is. I thought it was pretty cool too. But the way I'm actually going to double down on my money is I mine my Ethereum and I send it over to accounts some similar to BlockFi. A lot of people know who BlockFi is. If you don't, it's pretty much a crypto, pretty much like Coinbase itself for crypto, but they let you earn interest on your crypto. I'm gonna give it. So pretty much by me mining, I'm also gaining that way of making passive income because my computer is just mining for me, generating me Ethereum. And on top of that, I also use an app called crypto.com. You can also use BlockFi as another one. But with these apps, you're able to transfer your cryptocurrencies onto these platforms, and you're able to gain interest from these cryptocurrencies as if it was a high yield savings account. But we're not talking like an Ally back in its prime. We talking like 4, 5, 6% interest on your cryptocurrency, depending on which one it is, of course. So of course I'm mining Ethereum. I think right now I'm getting about 4% on my Ethereum, which is crazy. And they pay you out in the cryptocurrency every week, which is cool. So I'm getting interest off the crypto, which is paying me in crypto every week, on top of me mining crypto, on top of me working at the post office and buying more Ethereum. So pretty hype. I'm getting crypto on top of crypto on top of crypto just by doing this one investment. Like I said, I was very on the fence about doing it, but I went ahead and dived into it. I think it's turned out pretty profitable for me, especially since I'm just using it already invested money. Just came out of one and put it right back into the other one. So pretty excited about it. So pretty much the reason why I'm so bullish on Ethereum, like I said, I can't stress enough about like what I said earlier about Bitcoin, the transaction, how it's only an X amount of coins, how I don't see it actually being the currency of the future. I think it's going to be a currency, just not the currency of the future that we really can use. I think Ethereum may be that currency, and Ethereum has been growing so much in value. And I personally think that within the next 2 to 3 years, I think Ethereum can hit around 30K per coin. Right now, it's been falling. It was at the all-time high of 4K, but it's sitting at the time of this video around $2,500 per coin. But I do believe this coin could potentially be worth 30K within the next 2 to 3 years. So that's why I'm so bullish on it. I've been watching a lot of videos on it, reading a lot of articles, and there are some like big investors that I actually look at and watch, stalk their Instagrams. And I think they're pretty bullish on it also, which even further my thought process on it. I'm not saying I'm right by any means. I'm not telling you to go take all your money and throw it into Ethereum, but I am throwing a significant amount of my money into Ethereum. Like I said, this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you guys of the investment that I'm making, and potential investment that you can look into, and maybe you too can also invest in. Not saying it's gonna be profitable, but there's a chance. But these are the reasons why I'm so bullish on Ethereum and what I've been doing, and so far it's turned out pretty profitable. And I'm gonna give you guys an update on the whole rig and what it's producing once it really been running for an entire month. Right now it's only been running for like 2.5, maybe 3 weeks. Not at a full month yet, but pretty excited about it. Pretty excited about it. It's pretty cool. I'm actually thinking of getting more into the mining, trying to see how I can actually mine Litecoin so I can get Dogecoin, or see if I would buy a bigger rig to actually mine Bitcoin. Haven't made it my mind yet. Pretty expensive. Wildly expensive. But that's to be determined. I'm still looking into that. Hope you guys appreciate the video. Most definitely subscribe to the channel. Most definitely like this video. I really appreciate it. And it's your boy Axion, and I'm out.